Mula-mula satu kapsul. Satu hari.
Okay.
Tapi tak nampak dia punya result. So kita sebenarnya ambil 2. So I start to change, I ambil 2 kapsul satu hari at night, I take at night. So masa tu I had a very bad cough. I even went to the hospital. I went for treatment, but the cough is still there. Tapi oleh kerana I dah cuba LIVCORE, ambil LIVCORE, selang berapa hari, I punya mucus, I punya kahak, warna kuning, warna hijau, apa-apa warna lah,
semua keluar.
dia keluar.
Wah.
Dia keluar, then it gets better. Then another thing is that, I memang susah nak berpeluh, sweat. Jadi ever since I took that, I sweat a lot. Even for my hair, my head, dia punya sweat dripping. So I rasa
macam hujan lah.
macam hujan. So like dalam rumah boleh like that, you know, not outdoor. Jadi after that I feel very very good. Another testimony, my husband, when he took, also he start with 1, very stubborn, right? We are asked to take 2, but he took 1. So I told him, advise him take 2. So okay, we change. He changed. After he took, then he feel like he wants to release his bowel, and it's so much, and after that he feel so released. That means detoxification takes place.
Wah, hebat.
Yeah, memang hebat. After you take that, then you will know what I mean. Because if you hear like, okay ke tak betul ke, you have to try. So it's very good.